Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Stephanie, for those of you who don't know me. Today I'm doing a review on the Dyson Airwrap styler. Sorry, I'm like, what was I doing? So I'm doing a review on the Dyson Airwrap styler. Yes, a demo / review. I've already had this for, I think, 2 months, I want to say, or a month and a half. So I already know how it works and what doesn't work. So I'm just going to share my thoughts on it with you guys, because this thing is really pricey and I'm not sure if it's for everyone. I personally love some things and hate some things, and I wish the price, it wasn't that expensive, but I just wanted to show you guys how I do my hair, and yeah, a little review on what it looks like. This is what it comes in. This little luggage, I mean, for the price it should come with a lot more, but that's what it comes in. And then it comes with the attachment stick, which is the main one that shows, so this is the on and off button. Then it has 3 speeds, so lowest to highest. And then we have 1 cold setting and 2 heat settings. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, so this is the attachment, and in the back it has a lock and unlock, so whenever you attach one of the heads you can unlock it, but it's pretty cool. This is what it is, and it's just a stick, which is really cool. I like it because it's so much easier to use than an actual other blow dryer. Then it comes with the regular blow dry head, you know, just regular little blow dryer. Then it comes with 2 combs. This is actually, okay, so before I keep talking about all the products in here, there's 3 types of Airwrap stylers. I bought the one that comes with all. So there's one for fine flat hair, that's what it says, and then there's another one that's for frizzy smooth hair, no, frizzy something hair, frizzy hair, I don't know. But unfortunately, when I went online to buy it, the only one that was left was with both fine hair and frizzy hair, so I was asked out. So those are cheaper. This one's more expensive because it includes all, so that's why it has so many things in here. So anyway, this one is the attachment for the fine hair. So this is what it is. And then this is the attachment for the frizzy hair. So it kind of looks the same. I think these are just thicker. I'm not really sure. Yeah. Then it comes with this beautiful thing right here that I love. This is my favorite attachment. So it's just a regular comb, blow dry comb. And then it comes with 1.2 inch little curlers, and I like that it shows like where, oh, it's gonna go this way. So where your hair is supposed to curl, what direction, which is pretty cool. And then you have your I think it's 1.6 inch barrels, so these are pretty cool too. I like these. So yeah, that's all it comes with. And so I'm gonna show you guys how each of them work. They all work differently, but before I start styling my hair, I just want to share with you guys, I'm sure a lot of girls know what to do with your hair before you straighten it, but make sure you use a shampoo and conditioner anything that says that helps with frizz, or that says smoothing or repair. It's just gonna help your hair dry faster, and it's also going to help the look of it as well, because any shampoo and conditioner that say smooth or repair or anything for frizzy hair, it really helps style your hair faster. So make sure you do that. My 2 favorite are the Joico K-Pack shampoo and conditioner to repair damage. I love these things. They leave my hair so smooth, and not only that, it's actually protecting my hair and repairing it. So I really love these. I buy them at Ulta because they're always on sale. I love when they're on sale because they're pretty pricey. But then the heat protectant, also you want to use a good heat protectant, and I love the Biolage, I'm not sure how you pronounce them, but the blow dry Glotion, and it is number 2 hold. This stuff is freaking awesome. This is not even expensive. I'm not sure what's the price, but I had it for a long time. It's Longwear Heat Primer, and it protects your hair up to 450 degrees. So this stuff is magical, and it leaves my hair so soft, and ever since I started using it, I see less damage in my hair when I do straighten it or, you know, blow dry it, now that I blow dry it. So yeah, so I already shampooed and conditioned my hair. As you can tell, it's really wet. And then I put this heat protectant, and then I did put some Argan Oil. I love this stuff. Amazon, guys, $12. Beautiful. I use this for my face and my hair. But anyways, let's get to it. So let's start styling this hair because it's really wet and it's bugging my back. First attachment that I love. This one's my favorite. You guys, this thing is amazing. I used to struggle with, so I would straighten my hair and then go and curl it and let my hair air dry. It's like this has cut my time so much, and not only that, I don't have to use 2 different stylers. This literally leaves my hair with nice volume and it straightens it at the same time. I don't know, this thing is, it's pricey, but I like it. So let me show you guys how this one works first. Pretty loud. The results with that, I usually do my whole hair with this one. Well, actually I use the curler too, but most of the time, like if I'm in a hurry, if I'm in a hurry, I'm using this one, and I really like how it straightens the inside of my hair while curling the ends of my hair. It just gives me like this nice like volume, and it's really soft, and I don't know, it just feels good and it looks good. You can tell it doesn't really have any curly parts right there. So that's that with just this. So let's move on to, oh my god, I wet my shirt with my hair. I shouldn't have had my hair in the front while I was talking to you guys, but it'll dry up eventually. So let's use the curling heads now. So see how it wrapped around? So it claims to style your hair, see? So you see, I keep moving it up and down because I'm just trying to get that like smooth. I'm trying to smooth the hair as much as I can, but I don't think it's really gonna work. Let me show you guys. And then you're supposed to cool it down before you release it. So using cold air now. And let me show you guys what it looks like. See? So this is what you get from going from wet hair to this, which is pretty cool because look, I'm not gonna lie, look at how smooth and bouncy this curl is. Just look at this. Look at this. And actually, it doesn't look too bad with the crimps that I was talking about. So let's see, let's try another piece. So I'm using the high setting and high heat. I know I'm moving away from the camera, but I'm really trying to see my hair because I can't do it with looking at the camera because that's hard. So again, I'm gonna put on cold, and then I'm just gonna, see? And there you go. That's that curl. And look how pretty, I'm not even kidding, look how bouncy that looks. actually, I lied. It doesn't look too bad. It doesn't look too, I mean, for having really curly hair, that doesn't look half bad. Maybe it was just me doing it wrong. Okay, let's see. Let's try the other side. Ooh, ooh, ooh. All right. Go on, girl. Oh. I have it on cold. So that one also doesn't look so bad from the top. So that's the curling barrel. See how shiny it leaves your hair and how bouncy it leaves it. It's pretty good. And also just for blow drying it to a curl style is super awesome. It's way better than, like I said, doing both like I used to. So now let me show you guys the one that claims to smooth your hair, which is this one. I'm obviously not going to do a demo on this one because this is for fine hair and I don't have fine hair. So I'm going to use the one for, oh, it's thick frizzy hair. I'm going to use this one. So I'm going to show you guys how that one works. I really don't like this one. I feel like it did nothing for my hair. I think it's just a waste of time using this one, to be honest. It didn't even like flat iron my hair, but I mean, not flat iron, but smooth it out or whatever the case is. I honestly prefer just the curling barrel and the comb, the blow dry comb. So let's try this one. High heat. I'm using everything on the same setting so I can show you exactly how it works. And this one you just, I guess, you're combing it. That's the brush that claims to help with frizz. Let me show you up close. As you can tell, the Dyson really, I think I don't know what it says, it uses Coanda air or something, so it's really good for your hair. It doesn't damage your hair. And you can really tell because your hair is left really shiny and it with so much body, it doesn't smell like you just flat ironed your hair. And that's the one thing I've always had trouble with. Like my hair straight smelled like smoke, or it just smelled burnt. It was embarrassing. Like, yeah, I look cute, but I didn't want no one to get close to me because it was just not smelling cute. It is not. This one actually leaves your hair smelling like your shampoo, which I love. But this is a brush that claims to, you know, help frizz and whatever. And yeah, it didn't do a bad job on like smoothing it out, but I mean, my ends, I personally wouldn't just leave them like this, and I don't like how it's still left kind of a wave because this is supposed to smooth out your hair. So this isn't my favorite. Again, it does leave it shiny, but this isn't my favorite part of it. So no, I don't like that piece. But yeah, those are the three. Oh god. Okay. Yeah. The two, I'm sorry. No, yeah, three. I used the curler, the curling comb, and then the flat iron comb. There is still more pieces to it, which is this one, but again, this is for flat hair, so if this one didn't work, this wasn't gonna work for my hair. And then this one I obviously only use to, like, you know, if I want to dry my hair really quick. This really does work. It's really awesome. But then the small inch barrels I don't use because I don't like small tight curls that way. So let me just finish doing the rest of my hair so I can show you guys the end result. So I finally finished Didn't take me that long. This actually only takes you about like 45 minutes, 40 minutes. It really just depends how you style your hair. But this is the end result. So as you can see, it's really nice and shiny. It doesn't leave you any like crimps. It's like if you literally flat ironed your hair, but giving you all this, I guess, volume. I only used this barrel, has hair stuck on it, and I used this one a few times. I mean, some of the curl barrels in some parts, but I don't really like the curl look. I really like the loose curls. But yeah, I really love how this leaves my hair. I love that it doesn't damage my hair. Like, I don't know if I mentioned it, but the Dyson is known to use Coanda air, which is like, I don't know, I think air they use on, I'm not really sure what it is, but I'm gonna try and figure it out and leave the description below and figure that out. But it is really good for your hair. I personally love this thing. I don't think it's worth the price. I mean, $549, I think. I didn't pay full price for it. Sephora had this really big coupon sell, and I used that and some of my rewards points. But I did still pay about $4 something for it, which is really expensive for a hair tool. I personally like only 2 parts of it, which sucks. I wish Dyson would have came out with only, you know, the round comb and the curling barrels for like half the price, I guess, but I don't know. I know the ones that come with the less stylers is a little less, but it still runs for about $400, which again is not worth it. I like it because I know my hair isn't being damaged, and it took me a while to get my hair at a healthy state. So, but would I buy it again? No, because it's freaking expensive. Obviously, why would you buy something again? But if it broke, like if it broke or whatever, recommending it to someone, I wouldn't. It's just too expensive. So yeah, pretty nice results though. Really nice hair. And this will last me about 3 days. I'm gonna let you know, 3 days these curls will last me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.